You can debate, joke, and explain complex ideas fluently in English. But ask you to quickly add up a bill or calculate a discount, and your brain instantly switches to your native language every single time. This isn't a fluency gap. It's actually one of the most consistent patterns in how bilingual brains store numbers. Here's what's actually happening. Numbers get learned extremely early, usually in childhood, and they get locked into memory alongside your very first language. Unlike vocabulary, which you keep expanding and updating throughout life, basic counting and arithmetic form a fixed, automatic system early on. English arrives later, so it never fully replaces that number system. It just gets built next to it. This is the before state. Two separate systems, one flexible and constantly growing, one fixed and locked from childhood. When quick math is needed, your brain instinctively reaches for the fastest, most automatic path, and that path was built years before you ever spoke English. Here's how you can actually build a working English number system, if it's something you want to strengthen. Step 1. Practice counting and simple math out loud in English specifically. Adding grocery totals or calculating a tip in English, even slowly, gradually builds a second automatic pathway. Step 2. Use English numbers in daily low-stakes moments. Reading the time, a price tag, or a phone number out loud in English trains the connection in small, repeated doses. Step 3. Accept that this switch may never fully disappear, and that's completely normal. Even highly fluent bilingual speakers often keep doing math in their first language their whole lives. It's not a sign of weaker English at all. This is the after, a working, usable English number pathway, even if your first language stays the faster one underneath it. Try this today. Try counting to 20 out loud in English right now, and notice how it feels compared to your native language. Do numbers switch languages for you too? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.